look at this one. Wow, look at it. This one I had for 25 years. I won. What year you are born? 97. This plant is older than you. Yeah, this one is older than you, 20 years, man. Wow. I bring this one back from Mauritius. Where we are? We can pop Mauritius, what? You can eat it there and get that. My mocha. Mettez dans salade. You crase it, then put it salad avec giselle, salt, pepper, oil. Hey, top ça. Yeah, man. Voilà, bon. You don't need to water this one. It's fine. Right. Well, this the one I have here. If you casse your latte, it break in half. You rub this one on, like that. Your latte is fine, man. Yeah, c'est vrai. You try it in the morning, not now. Take it in the morning and it's fine. We must couper that one. Need a... Hey, Aaron! Amène sac plastique! Amène. This one, Hey, you give this one to your mom. No. Hey, bana pas bon. Aaron, pass me the savate. Yeah, pass me that. Ça bien bon. Attends. Voilà. Joyo, you can take it. Give this one to your dad. Make sure you give this one, Hey, Aaron! Where is my lunette? It is on my latte. How to use? Only measure half a cup. Amen. Put half the bottle inside, man. Hey, it's big plant, man. You can't put more. Do like that. You tell him I go into my garden this. Yeah? Give this one to your other uncle. Yeah, give him that one like that, How did you grow this off a tree? Hey, first you give them that, and then afterwards you ask questions. Fucking couillon,